Hi there, my beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito ang po yung Nicole para bigyan ka ng soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tara Channel. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries, okay? Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayo lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to avail a private reading, paki-follow po ako rito sa TikTok account na ito. Andito na rin po kayo magme-message. Hindi po ako yung unang magsisend sa inyo ng message to our private reading. Yan po ay scammer. Okay? Marami pong manloloko ngayon. Doble ingat po. Kayo lang po yung unang magme-message sa akin. Magre-reply po ako. At pag-usapan natin kung magkano and how are you going to avail a slot for the private reading. Alright? So, ulitin ko, this is for you, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Takes what only resonates. Okay, last shuffle. Huwag na nating patagalin pa ito. Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Alright. 2. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 3, 4. Last 6 cards, please. Give me 6 cards. Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides. Alright. 6. Last 4 cards, please. Saint Michael, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 7, 8. Last 2 cards, Saint Michael. Okay. Give me last card, Saint Michael. Alright. So, 10 cards are now ready. Aries. Okay, using ko lang to. Lagay ko lang to sa gilid. And, ito. Your 10 cards are now ready. Let's begin. May nanalo na. Kahit wag ko nang buksan tong siyam na nakataob, Aries. Jackpot ka na dito with the Magician card. Wow, Aries. It's a big wow. Balato naman dyan. Congratulations in advance. I was so speechless. Prayers being answered. Success. Mananalo sa kaso. Makakapasa. Darating na visa approval. Promotion. Business expansion. Lahat ng planuhin nyo, lahat ng pinagdadasal nyo, everything that you are wishing for will be given to you. Claim this, Aries. It's been a long time. You've been fighting for it. You've been waiting for it. At eto na. On the way na. Alright? It will be knocking on your door. VIP from the universe. Naku, buksan ko pa ito yung 9 cards. Sorry. Death card. Rebirth. Tapos na. May matatapos, may mag-end. You know what? Ano matatapos? Ano yung mag-end para sa Aries? Yung sitwasyon na for a long time is sobrang hirap ng buhay mo. Okay? Sobrang struggle, sobrang bigat, puro stress, puro problema. And with that card comes a new beginning, comes a rebirth. With the Magician card here, blessings upon blessings, good news upon good news ay parating para sa'yo. Nako, Aries, believe me. With the death card here, you are bound in the journey sa isang bagong paglalakbay ng buhay na puno ng happiness, blessings, malayong malayo doon sa dati itong grabe. Bakit kasi sinabing grabe? Kasi because I know a lot of Aries have suffered so much this past months, past year. Pangatlo, there will be healing. There will be moving on. Move forward. Look, whether you like it or not. Okay? Kung Aries, nag-hold on ka pa dun sa past traumas, sa past painful experiences na naranasan mo, please, cheer up. I know. Pag sabi nung, dali lang naman ni Sir Ren magsabi ng move forward, ang sakit-sakit pa nga, bigat-bigat pa nga. Bahala ka. Yung ibang Aries, celebration na. Okay? It's because tinanggap nila ang katotohanan. Tinanggap nila yung sitwasyon at nag-move on sila and focus sila dito sa rebirth, sa new beginning. Alright? So with the 7 of Swords, help yourself, Aries, to move forward. Yes, I respect you. Masakit, mabigat, hindi madali lahat tanggapin. But, we need to accept the reality na wala tayong control sa mga nangyari sa mundong ito, sa universe. Alright? So, let go of the past, move forward, bitbitin lahat ng swords, masakit man yan, mabigat man yan, for you to totally move on your life. Wow, Aries. Woo! Eight of Wands. Expect communication in the soonest time. Mas mabilis. If you're waiting for an email, reply from a job application, visa processing, whatever, promotion, itong mga lately na process mo na hanggang ngayon wala pang resulta at inaantay mo yung balita. So expect good news. So Magician card is here. Expect, positive result. But there will be communication to you na ipaparating. So, ihanda ang yung sarili, Aries. This is worth it of celebration. This is worth it na talagang sabi mo nga, buti na lang nilaban ko. Buti na lang inantay ko. So, expect good news here. May magandang balita na barating para sa'yo. Panglima, Aries. Wow, gaganda ng mga baraha. Page of Pentacles here. Stability. Alright? Kung I know, Aries, most of you, sabi ko, isa sa burden, isa sa trauma, painful experiences na nagpabigat sa'yo lately with your emotion and your mental health, everything is related sa money. But with the Page of Pentacles here, with the Magician, there will be a solution. There will be recovery. Okay, with the Death card, matatapos na yung sitwasyon. May mga utang na mababayaran, may mga, may mga unpaid bills, everything. Everything na sumasakit ang ulo mo related sa money, there will be stability with the Nine of Pentacles here. Alright? With the Page of Pentacles. Okay. Magiging masaya ka na naman. Alright, syempre. Sino ba magiging hindi masaya kapag may pera? But aside from money-wise, you will be so happy, Aries, because there will be solution with everything, with your problem na talaga nagpabigat sa damdamin mo, sa kalooban mo for a long time, related sa money. Okay? So, we have 5 cards more in the second row before we proceed, bago tayo magpatuloy. Ulitin ko, kapag di pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. Nag-reply po ako sa mga comments. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo dito sa TikTok account na ito na pinapanood nyo. Wala pong iba. Hindi po ako ang unang mag-message sa inyo. Kahit kapangalan ko po yan, kahit profile picture ko po yan. Please, ang pinaka-ano dyan, i-check nyo yung dami ng followers. Okay? Sa dami ng followers, yan po yung legit. Okay? Kayo po ang mag-message sa akin if you want to avail a private reading. Okay? Oh my God! Aries, grabe naman kayo. Kala ko matitigil lang ka dito sa Magician card. Look at yung katapat niya, Wheel of Fortune. Wow! This is massive. Hindi to putyo-putyong blessing. Ang laki nito. Naku naman, Aries. Naku, balikan mo ako. I know. Pag dumating to sa babalatuhan niyo talaga ako, Aries, believe me. Big news, big blessings, something big milestone ang makakamit mo talaga. Believe me. Ikot naman ang ruleta ng kapalaran sa buhay mo ngayon. Wow. For me because this is my number 1, this is my number 2 cards of all the tarot cards here. Kasi may ranking ako ng favorite and most powerful cards for me. May bihirang mag-reading ako na combo, magkatapat pa na lumabas itong number 1 and number 2 na powerful cards for me. So, wala na akong masabi, Aries. So, just prepare yourself. Get ready. I-claim mo na ito. Because it's just a matter of perfect time. Ibibigay na ito sa universe. Siksik, liglig at tumataw. Oh my God. Hermit. For a long time, nalilito ka, you will looking for answers sa mga kaguluhan, sa mga, medyo magulo talaga. You're really asking yourself, saan ba ako patungo? Is there still a point of, may landas pa ba akong patutungan? Because everything is talagang falling into pieces for you. Parang feeling mo talagang gumuguho ang buhay mo. But, with the Death card, yes, it is about to end. There will be clarity. All of your questions will be answered and you are going to move forward. But with all of the blessings here, makakalimutan mo yan. Malilinaw ka na, kaya pala magulo, kaya pala ang dami sabay-sabay kasi grabe naman yung kapalit. Aries. Alright? Pang 8, 2 of Wands. I can see here, Aries, after you receive these blessings, I know, hindi pa kami titigil dito because you're the kind of person na talagang hindi pang present yung mga plano nyo, hindi yung pang ngayon lang. Yung mindset nyo, yung isip nyo laging advance. You're looking forward for the future. And that's why sa ngayon pa lang, you're doing your best to organize everything, to organize your mind and thought, and to prepare yourself na kapag na-receive mo itong big milestone, what will be the next one? Hindi yung ma-overwhelm ka na baka mamaya bigla kang maliko, bigla kang kumbaga, maliko yung direction mo dito. Okay? So, I can see here, it's more on planning, it's more on a very beautiful future na talaga binibuild mo dito. Alright? Sorry ha. Ganyan po talaga pag happy po ako sa mga cards na overwhelmed talaga. Kasi syempre, I'm so happy for you guys. You know? Six of Swords. Sabi ko nga, katulad nitong 6 and 7, there should be moving on na talaga mga. Okay? Hindi pwedeng kapag dumating tong blessings na to ay may sakit sa damdamin ka pa. May puot. Hindi ka pa nagpapatawad. Hindi ka pa nakakapag-move forward. Galit ka pa. You need to let go all of that. Mind and heart kailangan malinis because there are blessings on the way for you. Hindi pwedeng maabutan itong mga blessings, yung mga sakit sa damdamin mo kasi that will serve as a blockage. That's a negative energy. That's a toxic energy. Alright? So, kung may pinaantay ka, parang tulad yan ng bahay eh. Kapag you're expecting a visitor and your house is full of disorganized, madumi, hindi ka nakapaglinis, of course, it will be a big disappointment for you. Alright, so ganun din ang sarili natin. We are expecting big blessings here. We are expecting good news here. But, first, we need to help ourselves. Tulungan mo aris ang sarili mo. Let go of the past. Let go of the painful experiences of the past traumas, disappointments, frustrations, betrayals. Yes, I respect that. Hindi ko dinay-deny yung nararamdaman niyo. But, lagi kong sinasabi, kung papatirahin mo niya dyan, papalaguin mo yan dyan sa puso mo. Believe me, hindi ma-answer yung prayers mo. Hindi ka makaka-receive ng blessings. Okay? 10th and last card. Tapusin natin itong napaka-bongga, napaka-overwhelming, amazing reading mo, Aries, with your 10th and last card. Sabi ko sa'yo, you are sad. May kinikimkim ka pa rin galit. May kinikimkim ka pa rin bahala. You know what? Sabi ko nga, ulit-ulit yung sinasabi, yes, I respect your agony. Respetado ko yung nararamdaman mo. Masakit. But, bahala. If you want stability, if you want recovery in terms of money and blessings, tanggalin mo yan. Lalong-lalo na ito, manageable naman ito. Kayang-kaya mo naman. Okay? Kayang-kaya mo patawad. Kung hindi, kung ikaw may kasalanan, then ask for forgiveness. Ikaw yung mag-reach out. Everything should be settled. Mind and heart kailangan malinis because, ano sabi ko? Extraordinary blessings ang parating. Hindi to basta-basta, sabi ko. Hindi to putyo-putyo na blessing, Aries. Okay? So there will be rebirth, new beginning for you. So congratulations and advance, Aries. I have no other words for you. But I was so happy and i-claim mo na to. And I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa akin. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sign ng Aries sa makapanood ito ngayon. Alright? This is a very extraordinary reading. Thank you so much. Nasa mga kayo naroon ngayon ang mga ginagawa niyo. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.